Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, here we are on the 1st of February and temperatures are into the 40s and 50s, still no 30s on the map, at least at this particular time. So it is definitely mild out. 40 right now in Lakeview, a couple degrees warmer for Klamath Falls, but 49 out in Montague, 53 in Medford, 10 degrees cooler though, 43 degrees in Mount Shasta City. Now Lakeview's had some snow and some rain earlier this morning, and you can see the activity moving from the south towards the north. However, in the last couple of hours, that activity started to diminish and will continue to diminish as we go throughout the day today, but we'll keep that slight chance of showers throughout your area for the remainder part of the day. Now we do have a little bit more in terms of showers, mainly over the coast range at this particular time. They'll struggle to make it inland, but we'll keep that threat of showers for today. We'll have a little bit better chance for showers for tomorrow because this area of low pressure that's been hanging out offshore will move from the north towards the south, so that'll actually enhance the activity for tomorrow just a little bit more than what we're looking at for today. Now for the remainder part of the forecast for today, you can see that chance of showers east of the Cascades, and there's a very small chance we could be looking at a chance of thunderstorms along the Oregon coast for this afternoon, but that chance is pretty meager, so just don't be surprised if you do hear maybe a random rumble of thunder, and that's really about it. Now once we get towards tomorrow morning, you can see a little bit more in the way of blue because snow levels will be coming down. We'll cover that here in a bit, but we'll have a little bit more in terms of activity for tomorrow, so a better chance of seeing some showers and some wetting rains here into the Rogue Valley for tomorrow as opposed for today. And then we go through Saturday morning, things are starting to decrease in terms of activity, and actually it won't be a bad day overall on Saturday. So here are those snow levels in terms of later on today, about 5,000 feet, but see, notice how they're kind of stair-stepping their way down. By the time we get towards Saturday morning, about 2,000 feet, maybe even lower, but it's going to be mostly dry at that particular time. So it will be getting colder from tomorrow and into Friday as well. In fact, taking a look at our snowfall amounts through tomorrow night, you can see generally light amounts. One of the heavier amounts towards east of Cascades would be Quartz Mountain at 4 to 6 inches. Other than that, pretty light snow east of Cascades. Over by Grass Lake into Siskiyou County, could be looking at 3 to 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches for Mount Ashland. And you can see up in the Cascades, not a whole significant amount of snow, generally looking at about 3 to 6 inches of snow. Now, if we melt this all down, or if you're not getting snow at this particular locations, we could be looking at possibly maybe a ½ an inch for the remainder part of today. This goes through 4 o'clock on Friday morning, so maybe a ½ an inch along the Oregon coast. But once you head east, especially east of I-5, we're going to be looking at some very light amounts of rain for today. So forecast for today, we'll be looking at 40s east side, 43 for Mount Shasta City, 55 in Medford. Tonight we'll have that chance of showers still throughout the region, 20s east side, 30s west of the Cascades, low 40s along the Oregon coast. And we'll keep that chance of showers for the next several days. Once we get past Sunday, low snow levels will start to creep on up. So here's your 7-day forecast for the Oregon coast. Generally looking at 50s for today, cooler for Friday and Saturday. Then temperatures warm up just a little bit once we start next week. For Northern California, we'll have that chance of showers for today. See that rain and snow threat, especially for Friday and into Saturday, but the activity starts to decrease. And for the Klamath Basin, same kind of scenario, except you'll see a bit more in the way of snow showers for Friday, and then that threat will also show back up by the time we get to Sunday and into Monday. And for the Cascades, we'll be looking at some decent amount of snow for the next couple of days, although that activity starts to decrease over the weekend and temperatures dropping into the mid-30s. And the Rogue Valley will have that chance of showers for today and tomorrow, but a nice dry day for Saturday.
All right, so I mean, if you're tired of the rain, just look forward to the weekend.
Yep,
I guess as people always do during the week. So
right.
You have something to look forward to. The sun.
Right, I'm going to be excited.
I know, me too. All right, thank you, Oliver.
You bet.
Appreciate it.